In front of me is VIVO Y22S, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Notifications. After that, tap on App Settings. Click on Most Recent and tap on one of those options. I will go with Most Frequent. Now just click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications, like Google Play Store. If you wish to switch them back on, tap on the same switcher. You can also just click on one of your apps over here and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!